up today, but when y'all see it, it'll be a week from, you know, go back and watch the last video and you know what is going on. But now we're on the way down to the Bronx, you feel me, to get the rims put on, but because we couldn't get them to fit, so I'm gonna get cause I got people down there that's gonna chat and see someone in my blind spot. Anyway, got my people down there that could make custom spacers or give me the lugs I need. I think the lugs were too short, the OEM ones. I couldn't find aftermarket ones. I need them put on like now. So yeah, so we're on the way down. So you know I'm gonna cut and do my little edits and shit like that. But we're on the way down. We're in Jersey right now. We stopped for gas. You feel me? Got me a local Bev. So cruising now. We're gonna come. We go over the bridge and do all this fun stuff. So yeah. Yeah, we gonna get the rims put on. We gotta drill them out because they're not the right fucking pattern. But it's whatever. We'll make them work. We'll make them work. We'll make them work.
México, consígueme uno 590 de 12 milímetros. Apure, como le dicen, la front.
Uh-huh. One side done. See how y'all feel about these. The gap isn't that bad. I think I cleared that gap out, but they look good though. I like them. The Apexes. Part is complete. Thumbnail, boom. So as y'all saw, we got the rims put on. We got everything put on. I'm gonna go give y'all a good in-depth when I get back to the towns. You know, start to come see Mom Dukes and stuff like that. You know what I mean, Queens, but you know, you feel me? We're gonna get y'all B-roll and stuff like that in the car. So you know, we in Queens and shit. So when we get back to the town, you feel me? Phone about to die, so we lock in on this drive. Got a 2-hour drive ahead of us, you feel me? Car's running smooth, the new rims on, tires and stuff. And yeah, you feel me? We gonna get, yeah. Oh my God. Oh my God. One of us, finally. Damn. Look outside today. This is, guys, you don't really see the rims. Buy a new Apex cap, but When you go, we have to go get a car wash and pull up on them. Like, I'm not going to gatekeep the specs of these rims at all. Because who cares? At the end of the day, who cares? But we finally got him to take his front plate off. Finally. Looks so much better. But we're going to pull up, give you a little B-roll. When we get to the car wash spot, give you the specs of the rims and everything like that, because we ain't gatekeeping. So let's get on the road. Ooh. That 440? Okay. I need to get one of them GoPros. I guess I invest my money and get a GoPro because the content is clear and we're doing good things with the POV and stuff like that. I know it looks good on the phone, but I gotta upgrade. I need to get a camera because it's only I don't have a camera right now. Like, why don't I have a camera right now? Like for POV. So you're gonna fix that soon for sure. For sure, we're gonna fix that really soon. Thank you. Word of bro. You know, I'll be mad too, you know. But I feel this red looks perfect. It looks great. It brings everything together. Wombo. So, car's clean. I don't know if y'all can really hear me, but the car's clean. Boom. His car, clean. So, let me give you the rundown. That you guys saw in the last video. Ooh. It's coming up good, but don't worry about that. But, the last video, I picked up the rims. So, I paid $600 for these rims. The only reason I bought these rims is because there's brand new tires on them. Brand new tires on them. I'm not going to give up brand new tires, and my tires on these rims were so shot. Like, so shot. So, it was a steal of a lifetime. I wasn't going to pass that up. So, I took it. So, the spec of these rims are, they're 18 by 9.5. And the tires are 245, 1890, I believe. But I don't like the tire. This looks too small, in my opinion. I feel like if I lower the car, everything is going to come to play. But till then, this is how we run it. The Apex C R's, if I'm not mistaken. I'll put a picture right here on the screen of the ones I got. But the Apexes, the guy had it's just a little bit of curb, not really curb, it's just paint peel. So I'm getting them refurbished. I don't know what color I'm gonna do yet. I don't know if I'm keeping black, do silver, chrome. Let me know down below in the comments which y'all want to see. But this is it. These are the rims on the car. I'm happy with the look of the car. I'm happy how far we got with the car. It came a long way really fast. Got the tails on. I feel like the rear end is done. All I want to do is put a spoiler up here like he got. Just, you know, spoiler like that. I feel like that'll bring everything together, but yeah. So I'm gonna give y'all some rollers, some B-roll clips, and yeah.
I'm rich, you wanna know why? I addict, I love to get high. Look, I'm way in the sky. I'm flickety fly. Wake up in the morning, I put that shit on and I don't even try. I fuck with them.
You know, we're gonna pull the dash cam. We're gonna pull it because I have my POV, but his POV is better because I'm gonna be in front of him on his POV. So we're gonna pull his POV of what just happened, and I just gapped his ass.
You did not gap.
I gapped his ass.
You did not gap.
Okay.
This is you. Listen, this is how it was right here. Talking about you got me.
Bro, that's a gap in my book. Stock for stock. Yes, I'm turbo, but he's NA. Okay, cool. Off a day, yeah. But I weigh how much I weigh? Put it on the screen. I think it's like damn near 4,000 pounds. No, you don't. You don't weigh more than me. I weigh more than this. Bro, this is a full-size family sedan. This is a compact sport sedan. I'm a base model. You have a sport. Stop, bro. How much do you weigh, bro? Okay, let's see. How much do you weigh? 37. Now look at my car.
Is more?
No, look at my car.
What's this shit, F90?
No, F10. 535. Bro, I'm telling you, I weigh more than you, gang. And it don't even matter. I got rims. I have a full set of rims in the car. A full set. And I'm in the car. That much extra weight.
How much did my say? It was
37.
37.
See, exactly. Damn, they're 4,000 pounds. I have a full set of rims in the car. Full set of rims. Me. Plus, bro, that should never happen.
Yo, bro.
That should never happen. That should never happen. I don't care what the circus. That should never happen, gang. I set off the light. You should have lost it too. I don't want to hear nothing.
This car can't launch.
What do you mean it can't launch? You just don't know how to drive the car yet. It's driver mod. That's not my problem.
It cannot launch.
Bro, what you mean this bitch can't launch? Yes, she can.
No, it can't.
Yes, she can.
It can't.
Nigga.
How do you do it?
Bro, hold that gas,
Yeah.
hold that brake, and hit that shit at 25 and drop the brake.
I ain't never did that shit.
Bro, come on, gang. Shit. Yeah, Bertha. 1-0. 1-0. And we pulling the footage. There's no way we not pulling the footage.
Now I'm gonna have to practice myself. I'm gonna do that shit. Not that no way.
Yo, bro, and I told you that time we ran it when we went to go do the muffler, bro. The only reason you got me there is because the car was in front of me. I told you that. He's like, nah, bro. No one in front of us. Off the light. I'm cooking you. Yo, bro. Stop playing, gang. Cooking you. And this is stock. Watch I put the down pipe and tune and charge pipe and in it. Watch. I'm cooking everybody in the streets. No one's keeping up with this car. I'm telling you. I'm just driver mod. I just know how to drive. Full set of wheels. Full set. And I have that one in the trunk. Full set of rims in the car. Alloy rims. OEM alloy heavy rims. It's okay though. Happens to the best of us. Not me though. So YouTube.
I already told him that to go to your channel and look for that race.
Yeah, come to my channel, look for that race. Hell yeah. But it wasn't a race. We were just moving fast from the line in Mexico. We don't race on this channel. Not at all. But that's the end of the video. If y'all enjoyed, like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications because there'll be more bangers with these two vehicles. There's only more to come with these two cars. We have a lot coming, a lot planned. So, you feel me? Like, subscribe, turn on post notifications. Lowering springs for this car coming soon because the wheel gap is crazy. We're gonna do downpipe tune intake, whole 9 yards. I don't know what he's doing next. We're gonna figure that out, but we will have more content for y'all coming soon. I appreciate all the love y'all been showing on the channel. You feel me? We had 8K views on one of my shorts. The other video hit 400 views. I just appreciate all the love that y'all been showing me. So I'm gonna keep pushing, keep giving y'all content, keep giving me what y'all want. Go subscribe to his channel. I'm gonna put it in the description down below. He's starting his YouTube. So yeah. O'Neal out. Peace.